And I have the privilege of talking to NVIDIA folks in the TiEcon Day 3. Lots of action and great panel discussion today around AI and all the themes around AI. Thank you so much for joining, Susan. You're in the developer relations area. That is an area that is actually quite a storm with the roles changing. Developers in the technical or engineering side of it are wondering how their role is expanding or changing or revamping. Your thoughts on what you're facing in the startup world?
Yeah, well, we're seeing just anybody across any industry now able to be a developer because of code gen tools using natural language. You could be a designer, you could be a genomic expert, and you can use our technology or one of our startups products to create an application. So developers are growing, their job is changing, and they're also using some of the tools to generate code, to create test use cases, to refactor their code. So saving a lot of time, spending more time on the strategic side of building applications, and then using some of the code gen tools to do some of the repetitive sort of menial tasks around code development.
Lovely. And which brings me to the topic of the fact that you are working with emerging markets as well. You talked about Africa, you talked about the other superpower house from the GitHub community and overall from Microsoft side, but also from the NVIDIA side. In India, there is a lot more going out there and there is a lot more support from an AI optimism point of view.
Mm-hmm. Yes, I mean, India is just exploding with AI development across all of the universities, the startup communities, and of course with the AI mission and the government support of startups and developers. We're seeing funding going into compute, which is really important, and also into training and reskilling. So we can't keep up with the demand and the excitement in India with everything that's happening with AI.
Lovely. And final question around training and the education around it. TiEcon did see some classes going around and some kind of a course. How was that experience?
Yeah, so we have something that's called DLI, which is our Deep Learning Institute. We have self-paced courses, we have instructor-led courses, everything from introduction to deep learning, introduction to AI, to very sophisticated domain-specific courses that are instructor-led. And we're doing them here today at the conference and throughout the country and all over the world. So very popular program.
Lovely. Thank you so much for talking to us, Susan. Thank you.